Distance. A point or place that is far away from another point or place.
Welcome to an incredible physics equation. Question. How far the object away from Mando after 1 second? So, I wanna show you guys the formula of how to calculate distance traveled, which we say d is equals to the original velocity, and I'll write it as v with the subscript of o times time and the one half acceleration. Now, whenever we calculate the acceleration or the distance traveled of things falling, the acceleration is always 9.8 meter per second square. So, first remember that this is always 9.8 times time passed squared. So, we take 1 second as our given. So let's calculate how far the object traveled after falling for 1 second. So after 1 second, what was the distance, and whenever I say how far or the distance from the original place, so let's go ahead and solve the equation. D is equals to the original velocity. So always the original velocity is always zero because with it always starts from our hands. Now basically the times pass, it really doesn't matter because any number we multiply by zero is always zero. So we can go ahead by 1 and multiply it by 0, and we can cancel this out since we will use addition. And now we can add the one half of the acceleration, and the acceleration of gravity is always 9.8 times the time and time pass. So when you go ahead and figure this out, and one half is equals to 1. And basically, it is one half times 9.8. So the distance traveled after 1 second is 4.9. And if we go ahead and draw our unit, we can end it up with meters.
Energy, the ability to be active, the physical or mental strength that allows you to do things.
Acceleration. The rate at which the speed of a moving object changes over time. Formula for acceleration. A is equals to change in speed over change in time. Sample problem. How far does Alvin riding a bike while maintaining a velocity of 30 meters per second in 12 seconds? Solution. A is equals to change in velocity over time. A is equals to 30 meters per second divided by 12 seconds is equal to 2.5 meters per second squared.
Length, the distance from one end of something to the other end, a measurement of how long something is.
Sorry for my drawing. I will explain how to measure length in simplest way. Problem: how many centimeters are equal to 2 kilometers? This work example can be measured by metric system, which length are millimeters, centimeters, meters, kilometers. Since the given unit in the problem is 2 kilometers, I will use metric system. I will show how to make a solution from this example. Step 1. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, and 2 kilometer equal 1 times 1000 equals to 2000 meters. Step 2. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. And then 2000 meters is equal to 2000 times 100 is equal to 200,000. So the final answer in my problem is 200,000.
THANKYOU, thank you, thank you. THANKYOU, thank you, thank you. THANKYOU.